Welcome to J&J's test video 9578. This is a 2005 Sequoia facelifted with the VVT, 5-speed automatic, rear wheel drive. Has a set of the, I think these are Darrell Waltrip wheels, the VBSs that came on them. Not sure why it's here. I think it was a trade-in. Got some weird used car things like the latch don't work. This is all jacked up like all of them. But it's all there. It runs, it drives. Show you 292,669. I don't think I got throttle on here. Not on the old ones. Or the new ones, I mean. But it's quiet. Take it for a drive. These things are so big inside. CD player looks like it works. It's a nice truck. I think it just probably had too many miles and a check engine light and, you know, all that stuff. And then people just dump them. Running and driving. Alright. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Oil pressure, all that. Got all the lights on, probably for the gas cap. Alright. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.